Hey, car enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today, we have something special for all the car detailing enthusiasts out there, the RAYBAO Dual Action Polisher. Before we dive into the quick test on my car, let's explore the features of this premium car polishing tool. Alright, let's see what we've got inside the box. Let's take a closer look at each component. The polisher boasts a premium build and the 4 trapezoidal polishing discs ranging from 6 to 7 inches. Now, let's delve into the features that make this polisher stand out. First and foremost, the heart of this polisher is its F-class insulated winding pure copper motor. Paired with a high-quality alloy steel gear rotor, it ensures smooth control of the rotation efficiency. What's impressive is the 5 groups of vent design, effectively inhibiting temperature rise during long-term work. Plus, the external replaceable carbon brush enhances working efficiency and service life. The RAYBAO polisher is designed with the user in mind. Its 15 mm dual action provides a significant boost in polishing efficiency, reducing the cutting force on a single paint surface. This not only makes it easier to control, but also minimizes the risk of scratching the paint. And guess what? It comes with a collection bag for the polishing disc, making it super easy to carry around. Now, let's talk about the 11 speeds for polishing. With 6 fixed value speed controls for different tasks and 5 intermediate value controls for precise polishing, ranging from 3000 to 5200 ERPM. This polisher gives you the versatility needed for various detailing jobs. Whether it's waxing, light polishing, heavy polishing, or oxidation reduction, this tool has got you covered. Concerned about accidental damage to your car paint? Don't be. The rubber-covered design of the polisher head prevents such mishaps during polishing. Plus, the inverted rubber-covered body design allows you to place the polisher upside down on the car body without slipping off. It even comes with a sponge tray to prevent crushing or deformation of the polisher pad. RAYBAO goes the extra mile with humanized configurations. The 16.5 feet insulated wire ensures freedom of movement during polishing. And with 4 trapezoidal polishing discs ranging from 6 to 7 inches, you get a 20% increase in the polishing area without the worry of uneven force damaging your car paint. So, with all these features, you're probably eager to see how it performs. Let's put the RAYBAO Dual Action Polisher to the test and see the magic it works on my car's paint.